How's it going, guys? It's Sam with Broke Wrenchin, and today we will be finishing up a small project that I started yesterday. My mom's decal finally fell off. Not a decal, but a badging, and I'm gonna be putting it back on today. So I'll show you the steps that I have done. I kind of did a bunch and you won't be able to see it, but I'll talk you through it and show you how I'm rebadging this car. There's a few different ways to do it, but this is how I'm doing it based on this circumstance. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. This is a GX470, and this is the Lexus brand badge, I guess. So it basically fell off from the middle over here, you can see, because it came off really nicely, and then the rest of it actually took, I guess, a little bit of clear coat with it or something, because there's actually in these spots that you can still see like the outline of the letters. It's actually like down to primer, I think. So yeah, but that's okay because we'll be covering right over it because it's literally the edge of the badge and you will never even see it. But basically what I did, it looked really bad previously, so I actually had to come in here with 1000 grit because it was really unlevel. So I had to come in here with 1000 grit. After that I sanded with 2000, and then after that sanded with 3000, and then after that buffed it out with yellow pad and the Rebadge LHR 15, and then I used not the 205. I used the Meguiar's Ultra Cut Compound, the 105, the professional line. I have the 205, and I was gonna polish it out, but it's fine for what it is. Then I just wiped it down with IPA solution so that I could get rid of any of the oils and waxes and whatnot that were left on. So now it's just bare paint. That is the badge, and then if we come over to the super messy workbench, we have the old badge itself, and basically how I'm gonna stick it back on. How they're done stock from factory is actually with a tape like this, except it's like nice and all cut for the shape and whatnot. But I got this really thin 3M tape for stuff like this. I actually had intended to put my other badge back on the black car, but kind of grew on me not having it, so I never put it on. But I have the tape. If you want to take a look, it looks like this 3M brand, really skinny one. It's their automotive tape, double side stick. But when you peel it off, only the bottom side is sticky. Then of course you got to peel off the top. So I've just been kind of matching it. Went over a little bit just because it is actually too thick in some spots. So I'm just gonna go by with a razor and then trim it off, cut it on some cardboard, and then we'll put it back on. Okay guys, here it is, the finished badging. Looks pretty good. Yep, so I'm gonna take this and then just unpeel it all and then stick it back on. I'd film it, but it's kind of hard with only one hand, and I want to place this correctly. Alright, and here is the finished product. It looks pretty good to me. It's got a little blemishes still yet. It's hard to polish that out, but as an overall job, it works just fine. The paint looks really nice. and no sanding marks left over. So that's how I did it, guys. If you want to follow that, then just go through those steps. If you need to sand, then sand, and if not, then you can usually just compound it out, clean it really well, compound it, and then go ahead and stick the badge back on. But looks really good. Looks just like the other ones. You wouldn't even be able to tell. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe and also hit that little bell notification icon on the side of the subscribe button. That'll keep you up to date on all of our videos. Give this video a like if you liked it, and we'll see you guys in the next video.